on your camera phone. Get a little bad, you watch me put down.
Hello and Happy New Year, everyone. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create a vision board in Canva. So before we get into this video, I'm going to need y'all to click that subscribe button if y'all are not already subscribed, and also click that notification bell so that way you can see when I post videos. Now, one of the things I love to do when it's the new year is not only just reset, reflect, and just focus. I also like to think about all of the things I want to accomplish in the new year. And the biggest way to do that is to create a vision board. Now, here is the Canva website that we will be using to create this vision board. Now, I do have Canva Pro, and if you're interested in getting Canva Pro, it's only $12.99 a month. But you do not need this to make a vision board. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find some vision board templates. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in vision board and then show you what templates pop up. Let's see, we have a lot of different ones to choose from. We have some with words, we have some that look a bit more organized, we have some that look more like a collage. It's just so many different designs to choose from. And even if you like one, but you may not like the color or you may not like how it's formatted, you can always change it up and make it your own. Same with the wording on there. If none of the wording resonates with you, you can always modify it. That is the best part about Canva. So I want to go for more of a collage. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this one right here. So this one has basically everything I would be looking for in a vision board. They have self-care on here. They have travel, abundance, love, dreams, just different stuff, different words that will resonate with someone who's creating a vision board. Now, what I'm gonna do is go back and show you my vision board from 2022. So this is my vision board from 2022. It has love yourself, balance, self-care, you are what you manifest, just different things that resonate with me. Now this right here, this is grayed out because this is what came true for me. This is also something that came true for me last year. And see what else. And this also came true for me last year as well. So I went ahead and made those pictures transparent. And I replaced them with actual pictures showing like what came true, showing my reality. So I thought that was pretty cool. So some of these things won't be on my vision board for 2023, but this is kind of what I'm going for, like a collage type of vision board. So what I want to do is start from scratch. So the first thing I'm going to put on here is YouTube, because that is a goal of mine this year. I definitely want to get more consistent on YouTube. So that's a goal. So I'm going to go ahead and place that there. And what I like about Canva is they have different logos, different graphics you can use. So you can literally just type in a word and it'll pop up. Now I'm gonna use one of my pictures from my last vision board because I wanna graduate. That's a big goal that I do have. So I'm gonna add that. I also want to start eating healthy. So I'm gonna add that as well. And with this, you can kind of twist it and turn it. I noticed that with my last vision board from 2022, it seemed more organized, like more of an organized collage. But this, I kind of want pictures to just be everywhere, words to just be everywhere. I'm also gonna add prayer because that's a big part of my life, praying and manifesting. I am also gonna add something for being active and working out. I'm going to go ahead and add this self-care picture from my last vision board because I just love it. It just screams self-care. I have to add the beach to my vision board because I absolutely love the beach. And I have to make it a point to go to the beach every year, at least once a year. I have to at least make it to the beach. Like, come on. So I'm actually going to replace this workout picture with this one because I want to be as specific as possible with this vision board, and I definitely want to start lifting weights more than anything. So yeah, that better suits my vision board. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, y'all know going out to eat is my love language, okay? I'm a big foodie. I love cocktails, so I have to include that on my vision board because yes, we're going to be doing some of that this year for sure. This picture represents elevation, and I plan to elevate. Each year, I plan to elevate. That is always going to be a goal of mine. Also, we are on the road to 1K subscribers, so you know I had to add that to my vision board. Let's see, we also have to add this one, family time, quality time that's very important to me, whether it's traveling or not. Also, I believe you are what you manifest. So yes, we had to run that one back because y'all remember that was on my vision board from 2022. So right now I'm just trying to adjust everything that's on my vision board, trying to make sure that pretty much everything can be seen. Okay, so now I am adding the airplane because my goal is to travel at least once every year. So that has to go on my vision board. I'm actually going to change this out for the 1K because I just feel like that looks way better. Yeah, that looks a lot better. I want to make it more of a collage, so I feel like the 3D words and graphics will really just make it look more like a collage rather than organized photos. So next I'm going to go ahead and type in something that resonates with me. So I am very blessed and I plan to continue to be blessed. So I'm going to go ahead and search for the word blessed. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is the perfect place for it. Because I want just little snippets of words to just pop up, you know, in certain pictures. I really want this to look like a collage, y'all. I want this to look like one of those vision boards that you would cut out different words in a magazine and glue it. That's how I want this to look. Okay? And it's very much possible. Let's see. So we need something that says self-love. And this is perfect for that. So we're going to find a place for this as well. Okay, and I think this is the perfect color for the background. Tan. Yeah, I think tan works. There we go. Okay, so I think we need to fill in these spaces. We definitely need to fill in these spaces. So I went ahead and typed in faith in the search bar. So now I'm looking for something that says faith. And I think this is really perfect. And I think a perfect place is by this airplane because every time we get on that plane, we got faith. We got to have faith, okay? Because I'm scared of heights. And right now I'm just moving some stuff around. Just trying to see what photo looks best where. I want something that screams productive and a good aesthetic. Oh, I like that one. Yes, this is perfect. Now, I need something that screams fun or a good time, you know, with friends. Oh yeah, I like that. Okay, so now I need something that says grateful. Let's see. Which one? Oh, yes, that is perfect. I love that. It's not just a word, it's like a picture. Let me see what else they have before I settle on that one. But I really like that one. Yeah, I really like this one. Let's see here. Oh, yes, perfect. And as y'all can see, I'm kind of just changing things up as I add pictures. Let's see, I want something that screams love. Oh, this is cute. I like the little hands with the hearts. Yeah, I like that a lot. Now, the next word I'm looking for is consistency. And I definitely want to be more consistent on this platform. So this has to go on my vision board, y'all. Oh my God. See, this is perfect. Now, the one that I want to pick is actually a pro one. So whenever you see a graphic or a picture with a little crown at the bottom, that means that's for if you have pro Canva. But you can still find really good ones without being a pro member. But I really love the benefits of having Canva Pro. It's just some things, it's just like, if I didn't have it, I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know. Like, it's definitely a difference. I will say that. I'm not going to lie and say that it's not a difference, but you can still very well make a good vision board without having Canva Pro. Now, let's see what else we are going to add to this vision board. Focus, because I really, really, really think focus is important, and I want to focus with no outside distractions. So let's see which picture is best for that. I really like this picture. Oh my gosh, it's just vibes, y'all. It's just vibes. So now that I'm done adding everything, I'm just basically just moving stuff around, trying to make it look pretty, because we pretty much done with this vision board, y'all. This didn't really take any time at all. It was simple, especially when you have your pictures already Googled, or all you gotta do is do what I did. Type in what you want in Canva, and there it is. They have everything you would ever need on your vision board, so you wouldn't even need to Google anything, honestly, unless you just want to be that specific. So yeah, we have self-love, okay, we have be grateful, we have self-care, healthy eating, healthy lifestyle, we have faith, travel, exercise, we have 1K, YouTube, consistency. I'm just loving this vision board, y'all. I'm just loving it. And the best thing about this, you can download it to your computer. You can get Canva as an app on your phone and download it to your phone and save it as your wallpaper. You can save it as your wallpaper on your desktop. You can even print this out. Being able to see your vision board is motivating. So I'm going to download it as a PNG, and I think I'll get the best quality that way. And this is the final product. I went ahead and saved it as my desktop screensaver. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Have a happy new year, and I am praying for many blessings to come this year. And I'm also hoping that you all achieve all of your goals. Remember to like this video and subscribe if you love it here. Also click that notification bell so that way you can see when I post videos. Until next time, peace and love and blessings.